So in transition, here are the finished products. This is the larger bag, shoe size bag. You can put like a size, anywhere from a size 7 shoe, smaller. I wouldn't put a 9 or a 10 women's shoe here. A man's shoe, no. I can make a shoe bag, but maybe in the next tutorial we can do a shoe bag. Then this is the other one that you saw me do in the tutorial, the previous part of the video. Same thing, same concept. Opens up, zipper works fine. Everything is neat. All you see is the surging finish or overlock. I didn't show the overlock stage, but I can show you next time. And here, that's the overlock. This is not, this is the finishing stage. See? Professional. So, there we have it. 1, 2, 3. So this will make your traveling easier, compartmentalized in your luggage or your purse. All right. So that's really it. I said goodbye before, but I had to kind of put a tag on the end to show you the final product in video. Thank you for coming to my home again. I'll see you next time.